Good morning, friends. It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and we are in day 3 of our ride, the final day. And today we head back to Mumbai from Panchgani. The plan today is to meet at 8:30 a.m. for breakfast with the entire group, and after check-in at around 9:30 is when we leave for Mumbai. And that ride should also be good because now whatever we have learned in the last 2 days, Vikrant will observe us on the ride and he'll give us feedback if we are applying it or not. And then of course it's on to us to practice it more. So I thought I'll just cover some cinematic shots of the hotel. It's a lovely property. So what you're seeing right now here is a nice sitting area just near to my room. This is the view from the same sitting area. Very calm and peaceful. I think right now the temperature would be around 18 degrees. And if you look down, then of course we have another level. And there are rooms inside here. Now walking down, good morning. Yeah. Between we met John and Anil from Goodwin Tours. They were trying to tell me that whatever footage I've shot, we should put it in a drive and share with each other because they have also shot a lot of footage on their GoPro just to capture the ride well. So as I come down from the stairs, I'll show you around this. Here we have rooms, right? And if I move here, as I showed earlier, this is the pool. This is the staircase going down, and where our bikes are parked. So this is where our bikes are parked, you can see. And now if I start walking from here, this is a lovely place. This is the way to the main reception and the dining area where we have our breakfast, we have our lunch. So as you can see, this is the way to the reception. And out here, look at a nice sitting area, and look at this. This is a fountain. And this is the walkthrough. Again, if you see, this is the small sitting area. You've got a lot of places like this where you can just relax. The dining area I had already shown you on day 1, so I'll just walk ahead. Another nice place to relax, chill. And from here, this is a balcony view. And if I come down from here, I just keep walking straight. This is, on my right is the breakfast area. This, and again, this is a nice small place to just walk, relax, chill, lush green. And this ends here, and there's that dense forest. I just turn around here and then we walk back. The entire place is very tastefully done with eye for detail and a lot of good work with the plants. you can see here, this one, the trees above. The flowers, lot of greenery around, lot of greenery. And they've also got a nice letterbox. Lot of greenery around. So this is the entire property. I'm just now standing in the parking area, just show you guys around the full view. And if we just walk here, they've got some another, just walking down now, just another area which they normally give to families. So John had come here with his family and was sharing that, you know, this is also a good private area. So I'll not go ahead, there might be some families staying, but just to show you around from here only. So they have rooms here, and then there's a big lawn here, entire sitting area, and this is what is down. So it's time to leave, guys, from Prospect Hotel. We had a good 1 hour briefing by Vikrant in the morning, and he talked about various things, how to pack, riding gear, helmet, vision, many important things. So we're all set to leave now. So we're leaving now, and Adib is kind enough, he's recording a video for all of us leaving. Just standing right ahead. Here we go. Thanks, Aday, for everything.
बेसिकली हमको पूछना था आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा और क्या आप क्या सोच के आए, मतलब वो आपका वो ये बुकिंग करने से पहले एक आइडिया था और इसके बाद आपने बुकिंग किया है और राइड पे आया और अभी 2-3 दिन का राइड हो गया आपका क्या विचार?
तो ये ऐसा है ना कि पहले तो मैंने नया GS लिया, ठीक है, तो पहले तो ऐसा था कि मैं राइड पे आने के लिए थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन था ड्यू टू वर्क और समथिंग प्रॉब्लम है। तो फिर ऐसा डिसाइड किया कि भाई अब मैं राइड पे आओ। गुडविन वालों को मैंने अमित जी को खाली जानता तो उनको कांटेक्ट किया, वो वेरी फ्रेंडली, उन्होंने फटाक से मेरे लिए सब बुकिंग करा, सब कुछ करा, बोले आ जाओ, ठीक है। और फॉर्चुनेटली कोविड टेस्ट ये सब टेस्ट भी बहुत फास्ट हम लोग का हो गया। फिर ऐसा हुआ ना कि इट वॉज अ GS। मैं जहाँ तक लोगों से सुना था, आई ऑलवेज हर्ड दैट दिस इज़ अ वेरी ह्यूज बाइक, can't do this, it is very dangerous for you, how will you balance the weight and all this। फिर मैं जब इधर आया ना तो पूरा कंसेप्ट ही मेरा चेंज हो गया। आई हैव अ टाइगर, बट यहाँ पर आने के बाद ना सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट जो था ना, यानी कि मेरे लिए सबसे जो मेरे को लगता है जो बेस्ट थिंग हो गया ना वो ये हो गया कि वो ट्रेनिंग हुई साथ में ये राइड के साथ। वो जो ट्रेनिंग ने पूरा चलाने का तरीका ही अच्छा। वो ट्रेनिंग कैसा हो रहा था कि हम लोग बॉम्बे से निकले और जब हम लोग लोनावला से पहुँच रहे थे खपोली पे ही पहला सेशन हुआ। उसमें सब बेसिक बताया गया कि भाई ये चीज़ें बेसिक देखना है। जैसा तुम्हारा विजन के बारे में जो बताया गया वो विजन तो मेरा ऐसा था कि उसने पूरी राइडिंग ही चेंज कर दिया, यानी ये चीज़ें मेरे को पता ही नहीं थी। ठीक है, फिर वो बैलेंस जो हम लोग हमेशा करते थे बाइक चलाने में, पर वी डिडंट नेवर रियलाइज कि भाई ये चीज़ें इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड वी आर डूइंग व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज़ कॉल्ड, बी ऑनेस्ट इनफ। फिर ऐसा हुआ कि अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि भाई वो हाथ बैठ गया उसके ऊपर और वो चीज़ें इतनी काम आएगी ना, और अभी भी उसकी प्रैक्टिस चल रही है ना, आप समझ रहे हो ना, इतना कम दिन में तो होगा नहीं। तो वो साथ में चलने के साथ वो प्रैक्टिस भी चलते जा रहा है, यानी बार बार। अच्छा, उसमें से क्या है कि जो ट्रेनर है विक्रांत भाई बार बार वो पैक के आजू बाजू आते, जैसा वो आते तो अपन कॉन्शियस हो जाते, अपने को पता है कि अपने को न्यूट्रल पोजीशन पे जाना है, ये जाना है ना। उतनी चीज़ें उन्होंने बताई है ना, उसको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए डेज वर नॉट इनफ, बट ऑल आई थिंक सो जितना मैक्सिमम इनपुट देना चाहिए था ना, यानी हैट्स ऑफ गाइस, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू।
This is your first tour, right, of an organized match.
Yeah.
What was your expectation and what was the, now the tour is almost over. What is your?
To be really frank, when I joined this trip, I was like, ठीक है, कुछ तो सीखने मिलेगा करके. But after joining this, I felt that there are many things about biking. It is not only about चलो निकला, गुर्र किया, निकल गए, ऐसा नहीं है. There are lot of techniques, lot of the visions which we were learning. And ये नॉर्मल बाइकिंग में नहीं सीखते हम लोग. नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपेंस इज वी आर लाइक, हाँ मैंने बाइक खरीद लिया, 3 लाख 4 लाख की बाइक खरीद ली, 10 लाख की ले ली, एंड हम लोग बस रोड पे निकल गए हम लोग. बट द टेक्निक्स विच वेर टॉट हियर, इट इज़ रियली गुड एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई डिडंट गो ऑन यूट्यूब एंड लर्न कि भाई ऐसा करना चाहिए वैसा करना चाहिए. आई वॉज अ क्लीन स्लेट when I joined this group, and I'm happy that I'm going with some knowledge, and I know that the biking is not it's like an ocean. You learn everything, new things every day, so I'm in a learning track now. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Then, so I just want to know that you had certain idea of a tour before this tour started, right? I mean, obviously that's why you booked, and now that it's almost over, is there any change? Is it exactly as you expected it to be, or is there anything new, anything that you picked up?
What I have learned is to drive a little faster. And in terms of tour, I think the way you guys have handled it in terms of, especially the corner marking system, I thought was really nice. Of course, there could be certain ways in which we can improve that system, but I think it was a nice system to ensure that nobody really gets lost. So I did get lost initially on the first day. But that's the one thing that I really like.
And do you think there's anything that we can improve in terms of organizing a tour? If we were to, like, for example, what would convince you to do a much longer tour?
I think some of the same things that if you do in a longer tour would be nice. And I actually would like to do a tour which is spread over now 6 to 7 days. In fact, initially you guys had planned a 4-day tour, which was then cut down to a 3-day. But a 6 to 7 day tour, let's say to Goa or Mangalore, would be nice.
Thank you. Is this your first organized tour kind of experience, or have you done group touring before?
No, this is my first one, but in fact the second one with Goodwin. The first one was also with Goodwin. I went for the cast, not the cast one, the Lonar one, right? So this is the second one. Been a great experience so far.
And what I mean, since you've done 2 tours, what was more interesting this time?
This time I think what was most interesting was the ride timings, the ride kilometers were lesser, right, in that sense. So you got a lot of time to rest. Last one was 1,000 kilometers or 1,100 in about 3 days. As compared to that, I think this would be what, 600-700 in 3 days. So I think there's a bit of time to unwind as well. And obviously the best part was Vikrant's training and all the skills that we were able to acquire, along with the pleasure of touring in that sense.
And what would convince you to do a longer tour? I mean, do you think you're confident now to do a longer tour?
Yeah, I think you see the beauty of this is that you don't have to plan anything, right? You just have to take your bike and show up. So it makes it very easy to do a long trip without having to think too much or plan too much or organize anything. So that's great. Skill-wise, I think a lot of learning has happened. Hopefully, we'll be able to put to use. So if there is notice of the trips in advance and people are able to manage calendars, I would love to do that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks.
So this was the last halt at Sanida Dhaba, where we had a lunch. It was an awesome meal. It was almost an hour break, and now we head back to home. We're all set to leave now. So John is waiting ahead. I think he wants to take a video of all of us leaving. And this is the final time we will meet for this trip. God. So as you can see, guys, John is taking a lot of pains to take a last group picture of all of us together, ready to leave to our respective home. Here we go. So it's been amazing 3 days. We left on Friday morning. Then Saturday again was extremely good. And of course today again lot of learning, lot of riding. So all put together, if I was to talk about 2-3 important things out of the trip, first was it was an eased out ride. So we must be covering approximately 650 kilometers back to our home in 3 days. So it's not a very stressful ride. So that will be point number one. Secondly, getting training while you are riding, and that too in a difference of 3 days, is truly a very different experience. So Vikrant kept on giving us tips on riding over the 3 days, which was very important. Otherwise, if you get to hear too much at one day or in one session, then it's very difficult for you to absorb it. So secondly, I would say that the training was very good. It was spread across 3 days. We got to know about 2-3 things, then we applied it, and while we were applying it, on the ride, Vikrant was with us, watching us, giving us input, feedback on how we are doing. So secondly, on the training, that was amazing, truly outstanding. I think I'll be a different rider after I practice and apply it over the next few weeks. Thirdly, I think the itinerary, so John, Ahmed, Anil, see, all these are passionate riders themselves, who are the owners of Goodwin Tours. So they have immense experience in touring, riding, and if they plan something for 3 days, it has to be good, and that is what it turned out to be. So I think the itinerary was very well planned, especially for a person like me, for whom it was the first 2-night trip outside Mumbai on a bike, and riding continuously for 3 days. So for me it was a fabulous experience. So itinerary was very good. Next, I think another important thing was the hotel stay. So the place that we stayed in Panchgani, it was a fabulous property. Fabulous property. I'm sure you would have seen the shots. I shot today morning, trying to capture what all is there in the property. You would agree with me that it's a fantastic hotel, and equally good was the service. Equally good was the food. Food was awesome. So overall, I think it was good value for whatever we paid. And on the last day we also got to know that Goodwin Tours don't do this, as a business exercise. So 50% of whatever they earn goes to charity. So these guys, have their own professional world, and they do this as a hobby. And 50% of whatever the company makes, they donate. So it feels great to be a part of this three-day trip and being able to contribute to some charity also. So overall, while heading home, I feel great. I feel well spent 3 days. I feel re-energized. I feel very, very confident, much more confident, I would say, as a rider, and also a lot of exposure to how you can do long trips on bikes, and what all is it that you need to be prepared for, and what is it that you might experience. So overall, good 3 days spent. So before I sign off the video, I think I'll take this opportunity to thank Goodwin Tours for having me in the trip. I think it was a fabulous experience, guys. Thank you so much for this wonderful, memorable 3-day riding trip. Wish you guys all the very best, and see you soon. Maybe very soon, whenever you guys have a next trip, I'll be more than happy to join. And to my viewers who are watching the video, thank you so much for your time. It was a 3-part capture of the bike ride. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please do share your feedback. Please do like and subscribe to encourage me to keep on doing this passion and a hobby. See you guys soon. Thank you.